know tax season has ended, or has it? Well, if you find an extension, tax season hasn't ended, well, you can't do your tax without this one thing. And the one thing is, tune in for the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast to find out what you need in order to file your taxes for your business. This is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast. I am your host, Dakota Grady. Welcome to the podcast, y'all. If you're struggling with your finances and you're living check to check, contact me at Dakota Grady at dakotagrady.com, which is the website. And if you are a nurse practitioner, entrepreneur, med spa owner, esthetician, entrepreneur, and you need bookkeeping and taxes done for your business, contact me today at dakotagrady.com. Welcome to the podcast, y'all. Today, I'm talking about one thing you need in order to file your business taxes. That's right. One thing you need in order to file your business taxes. We're going to jump right into this episode and not prolong, because I know your time is valuable. One thing people fail to realize when they do a business is they need one thing. They have sales, marketing, they have SEO, which is search engine optimization. They have all the advertising, right? They have the things, they get somebody to do it, be an attorney, have everything signed for the contracts, right? But they fail to have this one thing in their business. I tell people, sales, marketing, and operations are all important, but without bookkeeping, that's right, bookkeeping, you may as well close your business. Why? Because without bookkeeping, you can't do your taxes, right? Without bookkeeping, you don't know if your business is making money, you don't know if you're overspending in a certain area, and how can you value your business without bookkeeping? So what is bookkeeping? Well, bookkeeping is basically you're measuring the income, the money coming into the business, and the money going out of the business. And basically what you're doing, you're putting it in categories, which are called accounts or chart of accounts. So basically you're just allocating the money that you're spending and earning and putting them in little boxes per se, or accounts. Well, when you do that, your accountant, CPA, whoever doing your bookkeeping for you, they're able to use that information to create accounting, basically. And accounting is, according to my accounting book, I still have it, y'all, because I do accounting, right, and bookkeeping. It says, accounting is a special language used to communicate financial information about a business to those who wish to use the information to make decisions. In other words, say if you have a business, which you do, you're an entrepreneur, and you want to make a decision about whether you're going to hire someone, or whether you're going to buy more inventory, or whether you're going to expand your business. Maybe you're going to start renting a space and have money to buy a space. Or maybe you're thinking about getting a loan, right? Well, there's the financial statements, which come from accounting, and using the information for your bookkeeping, putting it into accounts, and then you're creating what I call financial statements, profit and loss statement, and your balance sheet to make decisions, right? So you use the financial statements, profit and loss, which shows how much you've earned and spent for the month, and whether it be a month, quarter, or a year, and you're also using your balance sheet to say, all right, my assets, things that business owns, whether it be vehicles, machinery, equipment, office supplies, or office equipment, furniture, right? All those things are financed by either debt or equity. Equity is money the owner puts into the business to fund the business, right? So without these numbers, without the information via bookkeeping, which turns into accounting, you can't know whether you're making money, spending too much money, or if you're able to value your business if someone wants to buy it from you. People overlook the value of bookkeeping because they think it's just something that's so easy to do, because there's software out there that allows you to do bookkeeping. You don't have to go to school for bookkeeping. You can go get a software, put your information in, connect your bank account, it downloads it, and voila, you have bookkeeping. Wrong answer, because first you must know basic laws of accounting. You know the basic laws of bookkeeping too, but you must know some knowledge of bookkeeping and accounting and tax law, because tax law determines whether a business owner can deduct a certain expense or not, right? For example, if you're going out with your friends for a lunch and you have a business and you're just talking about things, sports, family, traveling, personal things, you can't expense that particular meal. However, if you're going out with a group of entrepreneurs and you're going to talk about business, how to grow your business, how to scale your business, how to start a business, or how to get more brand awareness, you can do that before the meal, talk about business before, during, or after the meal, and you can deduct that meal because you're focusing on business. So the IRS allows you to deduct an expense that is ordinary and necessary. So for example, say you're building widgets, for example. Say you buy some inventory, and inventory is an ordinary thing that your industry buys to make whatever widgets you're going to make, right? And so you're going to become an LLC. Well, you don't necessarily have to, well, if you want to become an LLC, you can pay someone to set up the LLC for you. That may be a one-time fee, so it'll be a startup fee, startup cost, right? Well, that will be one that's necessary for order for you to become an LLC. So the IRS will allow you to deduct that expense because it's ordinary. One, the inventory is ordinary. It's something that is ordinarily purchased in your business. And setting up the LLC would be something that is necessary, because if you want to establish your business legally in your state, you become an LLC, or a limited liability company, right? Now those things all go hand in hand with bookkeeping, because again, the IRS has to allow you to deduct an expense. It has to be ordinary and necessary for you to deduct it. Otherwise, you can't deduct it. It's that simple, y'all. I've had people tell me that they can deduct their hairstyles. Like every hairstyle they go and get, they can deduct that. Now you may be able to deduct a hairstyle if it's for a photo shoot, maybe once or twice a year, but for every hairstyle you'll get, maybe you get your hair done bi-weekly or weekly, the IRS will see that as a personal expense and won't allow you to deduct it. Again, it goes back to knowing tax law, knowing whether the IRS allows you to deduct something or not. And just because you can put something in the software doesn't mean that you are doing bookkeeping correctly. That's why it's important to hire a professional who can do it for you while you focus on running your business and serving your clients. That's simple. So bookkeeping is important, because the last piece of this is you can't do your taxes without bookkeeping, because the profit and loss statement is what is used if you have a single member LLC, corporation, if you have a nonprofit, if you have a S Corp, C Corp, partnership, sole partnership, whatever you have, the income statement or profit and loss statement is what is used to record the income expenses for your business. That's how taxes are done. Taking the information that is reported via bookkeeping, creating accounting or creating financial statements via accounting to tell a story so that you can make decisions. And one of the decisions you can make is whether you're reporting the correct income and expenses to file your tax return for your business. Without bookkeeping, you can't do your taxes. It's that simple, y'all. So make sure you hire a pro to do your taxes for you, because your job is to serve your patients, your clients, whoever, your customers, to focus on providing them the highest quality while letting a pro provide you the highest quality in terms of bookkeeping, accounting, and taxes. That's simple, y'all. So don't go it alone. If you're looking for a professional to help you move forward, focus on your business while you can not worry and stress about bookkeeping and taxes, go to my website at dakotagrady.com, click on testimonials to find out more about what my clients are saying about me. Click on the page about me to learn more about who I am and what I value. And click on the page that says accounting, tax, and advisory to find out more about the solution that I can help you with so that you can enjoy serving your patients. So I hope this episode was helpful to you. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast. One more thing for you. I have a free gift for you. Go to dakotagrady.com, click on the tab that says Tax Solutions. I got some resources for you to help you save money in your business with 10 tax strategies. That's right, y'all. That you can use year-round so you can save money in your business and not overpay in taxes. So this is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast.